Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In today's video, we're bringing you our top 5 holiday email marketing tips and tricks. Our first tip is to create a holiday-themed campaign with OptinMonster. A holiday-themed campaign will allow you to segment new email list subscribers who are interested in your holiday promotions. And with OptinMonster's Black Friday, holiday, and spooktacular theme, you can easily customize and get a promotion going on your site in no time. Tip number 2 is to create a holiday gift guide for your shoppers. A holiday gift guide makes it easy for your website visitors to browse your products based on gender, age, price point, and more. And if you're wondering how this is related to email marketing, you should link to this holiday gift guide and all of your holiday email promotions. Our next tip is to make sure you theme your subject lines. Did you know that an emoji in your subject line could lead to 56% more opens? Beyond emojis, it helps to explicitly refer to the holiday, such as the subject line, "It's Cyber Monday all week," as used by Dell. Or, "We're feeling very merry, get 50% off your order." Or, "Thanks, giving, and a little bit of getting." Keep it light and in the holiday spirit. Don't forget, if you're giving away a free bonus or a discount, tell them that in the subject line. Our fourth tip is to launch an exclusive holiday sale. This will not only promote loyalty from your current subscribers, but encourage new subscribes. Dynair gave their email subscribers exclusive access to a 2-day sale before Black Friday, while Postable gave their subscribers 20% off holiday thank you cards. You can also learn from Amazon and turn Black Friday or any other holiday into a week-long sales event. And our final tip is to use urgency in all of your email marketing. A time-limited holiday offer encourages visitors to take action now because nobody likes to miss out. Once you've collected leads from a countdown timer campaign, you can send time-sensitive emails to close the deal. We have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers, including MailChimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, and many more. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, whether you're using WordPress, Squarespace, Magento, Shopify, or a static HTML website. OptinMonster will seamlessly integrate with your website. Get started with OptinMonster today.